But I'm okay with it. And I'll tell you why I went ahead and came back as Smokey Saint. Because let's face it, I could have dodged this probably and just come back as someone else altogether and just gone to some other realm of the internet. But I didn't. I didn't, because I'm willing to fight this. I'm willing to point out that it's garbage and that it's nonsense. And your epistemology is shit. You're a garbage man, and your idol is the law that you serve. Your oath to the law, your oath to the secular system is more important than your oath to God. And therefore you judge by the law. You don't judge by Christianity. So you're a liar, Rob. You've lied about details. You've misrepresented facts. You've misrepresented your confidence in the existence of things. You have no verification exists, so much so that Praise and Dude have been repeating, based upon your narrative that you presented, the idea that things exist that you have no justification to exist. So your epistemology is garbage. You don't even know what a witness is or what a witness testimony is. You don't know how the Sanhedrin functioned. You don't know how to biblically judge. You have no epistemology to come to claims. You just lie and run your mouth nonstop, and your credibility sinks daily the more you want to cling to this. So go ahead, because the normies know the difference. Because the normies out there, they know that the Me Too movement completely sabotaged the judiciary. Jury nullification happened. It's just unavoidable. Jury nullification happened, and jury nullification, Rob, in a grand sense, is when juries are instructed to believe something other than their instruction to follow evidence. Okay? Me Too told people to stop following evidence and to just listen to narratives. And you went along with it. That's why you went to the realm of guilt along with everyone else before there was even a plea. So you judged unjustly even then, unbiblically. You ran to because you're claiming the second witness is the plea, but he wouldn't have forced to take a plea if there was a biblical standard. The case would have been dropped because there was no biblical standard. There was just one chick story, and the secular system said that's enough. And we're going to use jury nullification. We're going to use the system that's bankrupt and corrupt. And we're going to force these people to take pleas even when they're innocent. We're going to gloat over 99% conviction rates, as if that isn't a sign of blatant corruption. And what helps it continue to be corrupt is scumbags like you, Rob Reed, who moonlight for a corrupt satanic system with bad methods of judgment that are destroying people's lives. You stand for injustice, not justice. And I do pray that God makes you answer for all of that, because I think that this is a long sowing cycle that you've done. I don't think this is the first time you've done this, honestly.